Hello and welcome. So far we have covered the number 1 method of creating a keygen called self-keygen, where we learn how to create a very basic and simple self-keygen by using the actual software itself to display the serial key. The second method of creating a keygen is number 2, external keygen. So external keygen is where we need to write a separate program to create a keygen. In order to do this, however, we need to have more knowledge about assembly language programming. So in the next section, I will start assembly language programming and guide you through some basic and fundamental understanding of how to write programs using assembly language. And once you have completed that section on assembly language programming, then we'll get back to how to write an external keygen. See you in the next one. Thank you.